And first and foremost, RBI's concern is that the public money is safe. The public deposits should remain safe. Another factor I would like to apprise you, even today, despite the entry of so many foreign banks and the new generation private sector banks, the banking in the country, 70% of the banking remains with the public sector bank. Okay, that means the State Bank of India, it's 7 associate banks and 19 nationalized banks. So they have the vast network, and the number of branches, for your information, in the country have grown. Now they stand around 77,000. Okay. Then we have another set of, besides the commercial bank, we have the regional rural banks constituted in 1975. The number is 81 today. And then we have about 1 lakh of cooperative societies all over the country. And the cooperative banks, some 330 central cooperative bank and 29 state cooperative banks. We have the NBFCs, non-bank finance companies. You know, the MFIs were major player in Andhra Pradesh. Okay, the microfinance institutions giving the small loans to the poor women group. So we have all these paraphernalia. Still, the fact is, majority of the population is not having the banking facilities. Okay, if you talk in terms of number of villages, you may be surprised to note that the country has around 6 lakh villages, out of which the bank branches are there only in about 6% villages. Remaining over 94% villages remain unbanked. Now why, what was the reason that this financial inclusion could not take place? Despite having institutional approach, what was the reason that we could not reach out to the large population of our country? Some of the reasons to my mind were the absence of technology. We were moving in the conventional modes, the absence of reach and coverage. We also liberalized the branch licensing. You know, nobody can open a branch without Reserve Bank giving the license. But then we gave the freedom to the banks that you come out with your own policy, subject to a rider that 25% of the branches total requirement you have to open in rural areas. Okay, rural or semi-urban areas.